Just had blue corn tortillas for lunch and I was just making sure I didn't have anything in my teeth. But today you are here for an awesome video. I'm going to be sharing 25 plus unique Amazon finds that have been my favorite recently. And when I say they're good, they are so good. I test out a ton of Amazon products and these are the best of the best. Like always, everything will be linked down below in the description box to easily shop in order of how I describe them in today's video, as well as I will also have my Amazon storefront linked in case you prefer to shop that way. We have all of the categories in here. We have some gadgets, some home, some beauty, fashion. You tap on the screen, there's a little bar you can scroll through if you are just looking for a specific kind of category. So we have a ton to get through. Let's hop in. Kicking it off with some home and gadget favorites. They're so good. So first of all, it's going to be this olive tree. This is such a good look for less for like Pottery Barn olive trees and just more expensive ones. And this legit looks like a real olive tree. I saw this in my mother-in-law's house and I was like, I loved that. So we actually got it for baby boys nursery. If you're interested in checking that out, everything is from Amazon. I'll leave it in a card up here you can check out after this video. But this one is 82 inches high and I just feel like it's the perfect height. It's not too full, it's not too thin, and I really like it inside of this basket. It has that more like natural rattan look and it's like only $15. I do think I'm gonna get some moss yet just to kind of stick it in there to make it just look a little bit more real, but the tree is actually 15% off right now, so perfect little summer house update. Blackout curtains. We were first of all searching for our nursery, but then we also don't have any curtains in our bedroom. We just have like the blinds that pull down and the sun shines right in on our faces in the morning every morning. So we've been kind of procrastinating on getting blackout curtains, but we tested out a few that said they were blackout and they absolutely were not. These are our favorite. They actually have a black back, so it actually will block out the light and then you can just have whatever color you want on the front. So we put white in baby boy's nursery. It truly blacks out the light. Like, I'm not kidding you. It works so well. They have over 50,000 almost 5-star reviews, so I know other people have loved them just as much as we have. If you follow me on Instagram or you followed here for a while, you know I love to organize, and Amazon has just some of the coolest little organization gadgets. I love these little drawer organizers, especially with our undergarment drawers, baby drawers, things like that. They can just get so cluttered and messy. And I love these little organization bins that come in a set of 12. They're a nice cloth material, easy to wipe clean. They come in a bunch of color options. We just went with the gray because we felt that matched our furniture the best, but it comes in all different sizes. So we actually use it in our nursery, but we also have a set in our bedroom. So perfect for bras, underwear, socks, small baby items. And then we use the bigger items for like some blankets, some swaddles and things like that. This actually took off on Instagram. It went like viral. So many of you guys have purchased it. Trust me when I tell you, the reviews do not lie. These will transform and organize your drawer. I found some really great travel little gadget items that will be super helpful. So first of all, it's going to be this travel mirror. I feel like oftentimes when you're traveling, the lighting in the bathroom can be kind of odd, or you're traveling with more people and there's like a lot of people in the bathroom. This is going to be a portable mirror and you can do it from anywhere. You don't have to be in the bathroom, and it comes with a light that has 3 different modes. And I like that this is USB chargeable. And another thing is it doesn't zoom or anything. I don't like zooming mirrors. I feel like they kind of distort your face. Just a normal mirror, so it's not going to make anything look any bigger or smaller, which that's what I like. This is also very compact and easy to travel, so you could literally just keep this in your purse on an everyday basis. Take it to work with you, something like that, to freshen up your makeup throughout the day. If you don't already follow me over on Instagram, make sure to check that out. I do typically share like sneak peek, best Amazon finds, things I'm testing out over there, and you'll be the first to get notified. I didn't know what I was missing out when I didn't have these. So you know when you travel and you have your makeup brushes like in your makeup bag and it just kind of makes everything kind of messy and dirty? These are going to be a lifesaver, even on everyday use. If I'm just heading out somewhere and I want to bring a makeup brush along, you can literally just throw a brush in here and then head out the door. They will actually protect your makeup brushes from getting so much bacteria in them from just like being loose in your bags as well. I am obsessed with these acrylic bookshelf holders. Now I really like them because I feel they're super versatile too. Like, you wouldn't have to put books in them. You could put like nail polish or something like that you want to display on a wall. And I love them with books on it. We actually put this in our baby's nursery to hang all of his books up. But you even could do like a decor thing where you put some fashion books, little decor things that will fit in the acrylic drawers. And I feel like that would look gorgeous on a wall. But I also love that it's not like an actual bookshelf, because a bookshelf takes up a lot of space, whereas these acrylic ones just fixture to the wall, which is super simple to put together, took us no time at all. This is such a cool little find. These are multifunctional, have a lot of different purposes, which is something that I love, and they're easy to store. It's not like something that you're gonna buy and be like, is that gonna add more clutter in my kitchen? Absolutely not. These were actually first discovered on Shark Tank, which I always love. I always think that's super cool when those items really take off. But first of all, it works really well as a splatter guard. So you could keep this on top of your bowl in the microwave to kind of protect the food from splattering everywhere in your microwave. It also functions as a hot pad, and you also can use it to kind of grip really hot pans. It helps protect your hands from the heat. These are BPA free, they're heat resistant, and you can use them in the dishwasher. They come in a bunch of different color options. I just went with this neutral color just so it would kind of just go with our kitchen aesthetic. But trust me when I tell you, you will find yourself grabbing for these so much. Next up, this Ninja Foodie toaster has been a family favorite this month. We discovered this as a newer Ninja item, and it is so good. So first of all, it is a toaster, so you can even fit, it's a really wide top, so you can fit 2 pieces of toast right beside each other, or you can do thicker artisan breads, which is really cool too. And then if you flip it down and push the lever back, it'll actually function as a smaller toaster oven, so perfect for heating up sandwiches. I love making this like little egg cheesy bake just for like a snack or breakfast or something like that. You can use it to heat up leftovers. It is just so great. It doesn't need any preheating time. I love that it's compact. A lot of toaster ovens are really big, and I love that it's a toaster oven and an actual toaster in one. Talking about kitchen favorites, these bins come in a set of 2 for $14, has over 4,000 almost 5-star reviews. And what's so great about them is they are so convenient. What you can do is pull a drawer out, stick it in the edge, and then as you're kind of chopping your veggies and you have peelings and stuff from them, you just push it in, and then when you're all done cooking, you can just easily throw it out in the trash. I feel like it is so convenient. But then it also can function as just a little like carrier for items. So if I'm washing dishes, I can just have this sitting beside me and having all of my items in here that I easily grab for it, and I love that. Don't get me started with this cast iron skillet. This has been another family favorite. It is the absolute best. Like, I heard so many people say that these cast iron skillets were the best, but until I actually started using it, I didn't know what I was missing out. So we've been making particularly this chipotle sweet potato bake that really tastes like chipotle, and it's really healthy. I can have the recipe link down below for you guys, but it is so yummy. And I love that the cast iron is really big, so you can make larger meals, kind of meal prep for the week, which has been so helpful for us. The reviews, over 100,000 star review, almost 5-star reviews. So very easy to clean too. You're not supposed to use soap on it, so we just will use hot water and make sure that we have everything rubbed off really nice and clean, and then we'll season with some olive oil until the next time we use it, and that helps keep the longevity of your cast iron skillet. Hear me out. Especially for a peanut butter jar, when you put your hand in and it's really low, but you try to scrape it with a spoon or something and you get peanut butter all over your hands. Or same goes for like a mayonnaise jar or something like that. This little peanut butter knife has been so helpful. Like, you'd never know how helpful this is. And it also has like this little angle on the bottom, so you can easily get like the last little bit of peanut butter in your jar, and it just makes everything so much cleaner. Than when you're done, you can literally wipe it off the edge. This is such a cool gadget. I can't wait to share. This is actually a portable like second screen for your laptop. So if you work from home, or just even if you use a laptop at work and you feel like you could use 2 screens but don't want to spend the money on actually getting a monitor, this is by Mobile Pixel, and it's their dual light monitor. And let me tell you, this thing is awesome. Just connects to the back of your computer, and then you just plug in the cord, and then you slide the actual screen out and you can just drag and drop certain things. So if you want to be watching like a video or listening to a clip or something while also like doing email, you can do them both simultaneously, which is super, super helpful. And this is going to be a fraction of the price of what an actual monitor would be. Comes in a lot of color options, very durable. I just keep this on the back of my laptop. I also like that it has presentation mode, so if you're showing a presentation to someone, you actually can flip it the whole way back. Then everybody else like behind your laptop can see what you're talking about. So I think that would be really helpful in a lot of business settings. On to some beauty favorites. I cannot live without these gimme hair ties. I have a lot of hair, and when I'm just like doing things throughout the day, I like to throw it up in a top knot. It helps keep my curls lasting longer, and it helps me go longer in between washes. And these have been a huge, like, I have started using these I think a little over a year ago, and it is the only hair ties I own now, I think. Like, I don't use anything else, and they last forever. Like, I used a whole pack for like 8 or 9 months. And what's really cool is if you start to feel like they're stretching out a little bit, wear them in the shower around your wrist, and they'll actually like shrink back, which I think is super cool. It really helps the longevity of them. You get this whole pack for like $12, but it doesn't cause creasing in my hair. I feel like I don't get headaches where I have my hair ties like I used to on my hair. They come in a bunch of color options. I feel like this just like meshes into my hair. It kind of looks like I'm not even wearing a hair tie, but they do have darker ones for brunettes as well. I am such an earring girl through and through. I recently picked up this set on Amazon. Has like 18 or 20 different like really nice summery earrings. They're really, really great for sensitive ears. I just like rotate through these if I'm not wearing gold hoops. I always get compliments on them. They completely kind of spice up an outfit. And I love some of these fun ones for summer, going on vacation, things like that. This is just like, you cannot beat the price of these. So I started to use the Kenrick clarifying shampoo. This is actually safe for all hair types. I recently got my hair done. I was just talking with my hairdresser, and she was sharing about how it's really good to use if you use a lot of product in your hair, like hairsprays, dry shampoos and stuff. It's a good idea to use a clarifying shampoo like once a week, and that really helps get the buildup out of your hair and will give you that volume and kind of like light, shiny look that you're looking for. I know for me personally, I wash my hair once a week, so product buildup does happen, and I found that this truly makes my hair feel so clean and shinier. Makes my color brighter too, just because you don't have all that product kind of hanging on your hair. And talking about hair products, if you're looking for a good leave-in treatment, this Bumble Mumble Hairdresser's Invisible Oil is the best. It kind of has a lot of functions. It's a UVA, UVB protectant. I find this is best to, I just spray like a couple pumps in my hand, rub it, and then I'll put it all through the ends and like up to like here on my hair, and I feel like it gives it that nice shine, that condition, makes it easy to comb out, then also protects your hair. Especially with the warm months being here, just having that protection on your hair is really, really great. I don't know about you, but I have like the driest heels. It's a hereditary thing, and with summer being here, I was just trying to make my heels just look a little less dry so it can look better. They can look better in sandals, and these are my favorite. So these are actually a set of moisturizing socks. They have this like little gel moisturizing component in them, so when you put them on at night, what I like to do is I actually will put Necessaire body cream on my ankle and then stick these on, and I feel like the combination works so well and has helped my heels an absolute ton. And they're reusable as well. You can just throw them in the washing machine and they're good to go for next time. I think I have like the most sensitive teeth. I have tried so many whitening products that I just like ended up having to throw away or suffer through the pain because it made my teeth hurt so bad. But I have been using these for a few months. These are the Luminu certified non-toxic whitening strips. This is actually the only like tooth care I use. I have their toothpaste, mouthwash, all of the things from Luminu. That's all I use. They're just the absolute best. And these whiten without sensitivity. So they just come with a little packet, one for your upper, one for your lower, and you leave it on for 30-40 minutes-ish. I usually do it after I've eaten. I'm like in bed reading a book. I'll just throw one of these on, and then after 30-40 minutes, I'll take it off and I'll head to bed. And if you stay consistent with these and use them like once a week, once every 2 weeks, you will notice your teeth are a mound whiter than they were before. I also have some really great fashion items to share with you guys. I'm actually embarrassed to say how much I have worn this tank top. It is such a good free people look for less, but it's just the most versatile, comfy top. So many of my friends have purchased it. A lot of you have on Instagram as well. It's perfect and bump friendly. So if you have a bump, this is gonna work great, but then also postpartum and just in general. I love it just because it's so lightweight and breathable. It doesn't hug you anywhere. It's just one of those like casual tops that's very comfortable, and it comes at right under $20. I did size up to a medium for the bump. Otherwise, I just would have went with my true to size. Tennis dresses are all of the trend right now. I particularly love these two. This first one has a long sleeve on it, so it's perfect for protecting your arms. It's that nice like cool lightweight fabric material. I wear this a lot when my husband golfs because I like how it protects my arms. It does run true to size. It comes with the shorts that are actually not attached, so I love that. They're kind of like spandex, protect you if it's really windy outside. It comes with a lot of color options. The absolute best little dress. Then there's also the sleeveless one. This one has a built-in sports bra, and it also comes with the removable spandex shorts as well. This one I swear by as well. I also get my true to size small in it. So they're both kind of that trendy tennis dress, but you can kind of choose which style you like the best. I wear them all the time. And speaking of dresses, this is such a stunning summer dress. Perfect for an event that you might have, church, date night, then also really great for evenings out because I love that it has long sleeves. It's a very lightweight material, so don't think like, oh, this is going to be too hot for me to wear. It's very lightweight. Does run true to size. I'm wearing my true to size small, and it comes in tons of color options. And I was all about these fun colors. Another blouse favorite I have been loving is this red one. I love, again, that is more of a flowy top. It's going to be very nice and cool, and you can throw this on easily with denim shorts, but then if you're going out in the evening, you could throw on some white skinny jeans and some heels, and that would dress this look up. It's one of those blouses that can be worn casual or dressy. I am wearing my true to size small here. It comes in a lot of color options. It has that Swiss dot material on it, which I think is always just like a fun little accent on just a normal blouse like this. That's it for today's Amazon unique finds. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, make sure to give a thumbs up. Let me know down below if you've tried an Amazon eye product that you just have loved. I love to hear your favorites as well. And with that being said, I'll see you on my next video. Bye everyone.